Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, in this tutorial I'm going to explain how you can install the Maven as per request. Uh, but of course this tutorial is based on the Windows and some process for other environment also is common. So let's focus on this tutorial and I'm sure it will solve a lot of problem for your environment. So let's get started. First, you need to find the page for the downloading the Apache Maven. You just need to googling about the download Maven. The first link which is given to you, it will direct you to the downloading of the Apache Maven. But before that, please make sure you have all the requirements for installing the Maven, like JDK and enough space for installing of this Maven. After that, you will find the several version of this Maven, which is the under the this files is the latest version now. Currently is 3.9.6, and you need to download the bin.zip file. Although there is another version is the 3.8, which is the stable version, and also previous version of the current the same scenario you can use as a zip archive file. But let's focus on this one, 3.9.6. First, so you need to download it. After you download this file, you have to extract this file as a zip. Okay, I downloaded this file and I extracted and removed this bin words from ending of that folder. After that, you have to go to the bin folder, and when you are in this bin folder, please copy the address of this folder. After that, you have to go to the properties, system properties, and then paste this address over there. Yes, for finding the system properties, you just need to search about the environment, and then you will find it. So we have to go to the environment variable, and when you go here, you have to direct to pass folder of the system variable and make the new address bar and paste that address which already you copied from the bin folder, like what I have done. But already I before I made this address, so I will not do it again. But after you have done, you need to copy, click on the OK, again OK, and OK. After that, you need to check whether this Maven is configured properly or no. So you would need go to the CMD part. In command prompt, you just need to write the mvn version. Here you go. You will see the version of the Apache Maven, and it's already configured in your environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please write in the comments. And if you enjoyed from this tutorial or you think it was helpful, please don't forget to like button. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do so. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.